Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Brian's Badass Reviews. I wanted to just jump in front of the camera real quick and do a follow-up on a beard grease review that I did a little bit ago, and the company's called Original Lumberjack. These guys are becoming one of my very quick go-to brands, and I know I say that a lot in a lot of the videos. I keep finding myself going to the cupboard and grabbing their products. So if you watched the last review, you know I love the beard grease that they have. They say that their beard grease stands out from the beard butters. So I wanted to kick it up a notch because they have a rugged hold beard grease, and they also have a beard oil, and I love the black tie scent. So that's what we're gonna kick it into today. Thanks for checking into the channel. So let's get into it. Kick the intro. Hey, nobody freak out. I know I'm standing up. I just, I feel like in all my reviews, I'm sitting down. I don't want you guys to think that I'm freaking lazy. So I thought I'd switch the angle up a little bit, stand up, kind of get the blood flowing for this awesome review. Hey, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. I got new videos coming out every week. You hit that bell notification, it's going to tell you when they're coming out. If you like the content on the channel, help a brother out and smash that like button. Really helps me out with the algorithm, guys. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers in 2020. So help me out, help me get there. Take 2 seconds, go hit that subscribe button. Anyways, today's review, guys, I want to talk about the Original Lumberjack. These guys are a company that I've been using for a long time. Mainly, I've been using their beard grease, right? And they talk about their beard grease, and the reason that they call it beard grease is because they want it to stand out from any kind of beard balm. And so here it is, that's what it looks like. This is the beard grease right here. Now, if you take and you open it up, and I love this can. It's got a pretty cool little design on here. It looks like some kind of lumberjack pirate type thing. I don't know. But you got the can. It's got the rigid edges, which I really like because when I get the beard oil on my hands, sometimes it's hard for me to get the caps off. So very cool design here. I really like it. And so that's the consistency of it right here. And I'll just kind of, you can see that it's a little bit stiff. That's what she said. But it's pretty close to a beard balm, right? I mean, a lot of your beard balms are going to have that kind of consistency to them. This stuff happens to be the rugged hold. So in the last one, I did the beard grease and it was just the regular formula. So how is it rugged hold more so than the other one? I'll be honest with you. I'm not sure. It's got all kinds of good stuff in it, though. It's got the raw shea butter in it. It's got the palm oil. It's got beeswax in it. It's got the vitamin E. It's got the tea tree oil in it. It's got the sunflower seed oil in it. And this stuff has soy in it. So awesome stuff, awesome hold. The scent on it, guys, is super good. Now, this is called the black tie scent, and I'll be honest, I haven't tried any of the other scents. I just love this scent so much, and it's kind of that cologne-y scent. You guys know I'm a sucker for the cologne scents. And the way they make up that cologne scent, guys, is going to be with leather, musk, and peppercorn. And the way they just, I don't know how they blend those all together, but it's just it's a really nice, subtle, nice cologne. Black tie kind of sounds like an executive scent, right? Let me show you what this rugged hold does. I'll pick that up later. I'll pick it up later, I promise. Normally, with a normal beard balm, it's gonna melt in the hands pretty quickly, right? So put that in there. That's probably a little more than I actually need. But I would say it's kind of like when you're making macaroni and cheese and you put the butter in and you're stirring it and you're kind of slowly waiting for that little pad of butter to just kind of melt away until it's just a liquid thing. I don't know what the heck I'm talking about. Whatever, you got what I'm saying. But there it is, guys. There's the glisten kind of on the hands. It's definitely a little tackier. You can tell it's tackier. And then you just get it in there, put it on there, get it on the old tatters there. Keep them nice and shiny and good. Whoa, there's those guns again. I know, calm down. So that is the rugged hold beard grease, not beard balm, beard grease. So if that isn't awesome enough, then boom, we got the oil right here, right behind it. And it's going to be the same type of thing, guys. It's going to be the leather, the musk, and the peppercorn scent to it. Got a 1 ounce bottle. The beard balm you can get for $19.99. And what's kind of cool about I said beard balm. I meant beard grease. Sorry, Original Lumberjack. You can go to originallumberjack.com and I'll put the link in the description below. But you grab their beard grease. You can get it for $19.99. And kind of the cool thing, whether you get the rugged hold or you get just the original formula, it's $19.99. So that's pretty much standard for a 2 ounce tin of the beard balms and beard greases out there. I'd say that's pretty much the standard price. As far as the beard oil goes, you can get this for $15 and it's great. So it comes with the dropper style cap. Oh, yeah, it's just so good, guys. I don't know how else to describe it. It's just I don't know how they combine those things again. You know, they get that leather and that musk and the peppercorn, but they combine them all, and I can't really pick one out of the other, but just combined together, it's just such an awesome cologne scent. It's really good. In fact, the wifey told me the other night that out of all the beard oils that I've tried since I started this beard journey, this one is top 3. She says it's top 3. I don't know why I keep showing you the back of the bottle, but anyways, top 3. Original Lumberjack, if you're listening, my wife says you're top 3 out of, and I've tried a lot. I've tried a lot of them. I should show you my cupboard downstairs. There's a ton of them. It's getting kind of crazy. So you want to talk about the ingredients in the beard oil? All right, let's do it. So you got yourself some almond oil. You got jojoba oil in here. You got yourself some castor oil. You got yourself some aloe oil. All the good oils. It's all good stuff, guys. Nice bottle. Comes in one of the darker bottles. Like I said, dropper style cap. Beard grease has the rigid edges around it. Let me see if you can... I'm telling you guys, that's a lifesaver. But anyways, guys, super awesome stuff. I know I say that a lot. I say that in most of my videos, but I'm not gonna give you guys a review on something that I don't like. If I tell you that I like it and I think it's super awesome, it's because it's super awesome. And I do have a video coming up where I made kind of a mistake on a purchase, so stay tuned for that one. Thought I was doing a good thing, and I was kind of fooled at first just by a scent, and then I should have looked at, we'll get into it. I'll check out, stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. That video is gonna come out soon. Guys, you can also check me out on Facebook at Brian's Badass Reviews. I like to do kind of more daily interactions on there, or at least a couple times a week, right? Where I can kind of talk back and forth, comments, put different things on there. It's quicker for me to do that than it is to do here on YouTube so far until I'm able to post on YouTube. So I can do that once people subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys like the content on the channel. I hope you like the content in this video. Go get yourself original Lumberjack. At least go check out their website. They have different scents. They have mustache waxes, balms. Damn it, I keep seeing balms. It's greases, beard greases. They have oils. It's just after, not now, but after this video is done, just go originallumberjack.com. You'll click the link just down below in the description. I don't know, hit show more if it's not showing it. You'll know how to do it, but it's awesome stuff. But that's all I got for the review today, guys. Thanks again. I really appreciate you guys checking out the stuff on this channel. I can't tell you how much it means to me. And hey, you know what I say, you gotta be kind to each other. You gotta do what you love. That's it for me. I'm out. It's so weird. I don't know how to do this. It's different standing up, but peace. No, let's try it. Peace. Peace. I'm out. I don't know how far to stand back from the camera. This is great. Peace.